back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Naomi Marie, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I form my bra cups, how I get the perfect measure for my boobs. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel by now, go ahead and tap that subscribe button, tap that bell notification so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Let's just get into the video. I'm just using my Barocco Pima 100 yarn. I do not remember what color this is, and my thing's inside. So when measuring your boob, this is a nipple and this is going to be the breast. You are going to be measuring from under your boob to your nipple, and for me that makes about 3 inches. So this is what I'm going to be going off of. For me, it's different for everybody, so make sure you have a measuring tape so you're able to measure yourself out. I have a chart that I'll post in here for you guys if your breast is elsewise different in size from mine. So mine's about 3 inches, which is a C cup, usually for a US size. So you're gonna start off making a slip knot. You're gonna make a chain that's long enough to fit however many inches from your under boob to your nipple. For me it was 3, and I've been doing this forever, so I already know that it's just gonna be about 13 chain stitches for me. So I'm gonna chain out 13. Also keep in mind, your needle size makes a difference. So if you use a smaller needle, you may have to add more stitches, versus if you use a bigger needle, you'll add less. So here I'm going to show you guys. So this is what it looks like, 3 inches of my chain stitches. And now we're just going to work the breast cup. So as I told you guys, I've chained out 13, and I'm going to chain an additional 3, but before you chain the additional 3, block off this last stitch, the 13th stitch from right here. So I'm blocking that off. I'm going to chain up 3. This is going to serve as a double crochet. So then you're going to put a double crochet into the stitch that you were just blocking off. Alright, so there that is. So like I said, this is what it looks like. You're going to work double crochets in each stitch down. If you are a beginner with this, I would highly suggest that you count your stitches, because if you miss one stitch, your work becomes lopsided. Alright, so this is what my work looks like when I've double crocheted in each stitch down, except this last stitch, because I haven't begun that yet. So it should look something like this. For this last top stitch, we're going to insert 2 double crochets. So this is what I'm doing now. And once you inserted your 2 double crochets, you're going to chain 2 and insert 2 more double crochets into that same stitch. This is kind of going to give it its cone look to make it look like a bra cup. Oh wait. So chain 2, insert 2 double crochets, and then you're going to work a double crochet in each stitch down. So make sure you're counting your stitches, because if you put too much in, it'll make your work weird, and if you put too much less, it'll just make your work weird still. So I'm going to double crochet down to the end, and while I'm crocheting down to the other end, I'm just going to hold this piece inward just to crochet it in so I don't have to sew it in later. Alright, so coming up on the end, as you can see, this looks a little bit awkward. So I'm going to go back and add a double crochet right here on this last chain. This is what I was talking about when I told you guys that, you know, if you didn't add the correct amount of stitches, it'd just make your work really weird. Alright, so this is what it should look like. The next row, you're going to chain up 3 and you're going to insert a double crochet into the next stitch. The chain up 3 is going to count as a double crochet, so it would be the following stitch from there. Flip your work. Next, you're going to insert a double crochet into here. And you're just going to repeat the same process where you double crochet down, insert 2 double crochets at the top, chain 2, and insert 2 more double crochets. Here I'm at the top. I'm going to insert 2 double crochets into this hole. Chain 2 and insert 2 more double crochets in this spot. Alright, so this is what my work looks like now. You're just going to repeat this till you reach the widest point for you that you feel like is comfortable for you to have your boobs covered. I usually do about 6 or 7 rows, I want to say, so I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like when I've completed those rows. So I'm back and this is what I finished for 1 cup. As you can see, kind of has like the little like curve for where your boob could fit in. I actually did a total of 8 rows, and if you also want your stitches a lot closer, I would use a smaller needle. I usually use like my 2.75 mm hook, but I can't find it right now, so I use my e-hook, my 3.50 mm. So this is what it looks like. As y'all know, if y'all watch my videos, I always add a border, so there's a little bit of room left for the border so it's not like overcrowded. But if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel by now, go ahead and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.